Good morning, kids. Guess what? Today we are going to finish and close up our unit about how the body works, right? We're closing up our unit about how the body works. So, just to remind you about some things that we learn, okay? We learn about the brain and the nervous system, how they work together to complement each other to help our body stay healthy, our nervous system healthy, and our brain healthy. A little bit about the brain. Remember that the brain have two parts. It's one part to learn languages and learn sciences and to learn music and math, right? We learn about that, right, guys? Also, we learn that the nervous system and the brain work together with our five senses, our hands, our eyes, what we see send a message to the back of our brain, right, guys? Remember, you label the parts of the brain. Remember, you did that? Remember, you also learn about how, when we touch something that is hot or cold, that message is sent to our nervous system through our body, and the nervous system go to the brain and tells, hello, this is really hot and it is really cold. And that's why we react and pull our hands away because it's too hot. Right, guys? Also, we learn about the immune system. Remember learning about that? Remember the activity we did to learn about the immune system, how the immune system protect us from getting germ into our body. Remember that? How the germs get into our body and what we need to do not to let those germs from our hands to get into our body. Remember that video? You're going to see it down here, the video that we learned about how to get rid of germs. Remember, Mrs. Morrow made that video for you guys. I want you to watch that video and check how we can get rid of our the germs in our body. Also, going back again to the brain and the nervous system, this is something you can do to show me about how the brain and the nervous system work with your hands, right? Your five senses, how the nervous system help all parts of our bodies, right? All the organs in our body, okay? And the different parts of the brain, right? And the different parts of how the brain and the nervous system, all the parts, right? The nerves, what is this one? The spinal cord, this one here. Right, guys? You are going to do a drawing and tell me the function of each of those. Okay, guys? You have to remember what you learn and how we use our ears and all that and how those messages sent to our brain and our nervous system. You can make something like that. Or you can label the brain. You did that before, right? I show you a video where all the parts of the brain are labeled, okay? You can go back and watch those videos again. Okay, so that's one thing we can do. We need to do one thing. We pick one of the system. If it's the nervous system, this is something we can do. Or check the video of the brain that I sent to you and you label the parts of the brain, okay? Another one we did was the immune system, how we can get rid of the germs from our hands so they don't go into our bodies. Remember that video? So that video will be down here. Watch the video and you can make a video like that to show me. Okay? You can make your own video at home to show me that is how the immune system works and help us to keep us healthy by washing our hands. You watch the video down here, okay? Also, I am going to show you another one that we did for the heart. Remember, the heart works with the circulatory system. So the circulatory system is like this bus. The circulatory system transport rich oxygenated blood into our hearts. So the circulatory system take the bad oxygen from our lungs. When we breathe in and breathe out, our lungs take in blood that we don't need, but it just transforms and send it to the circulatory system, and the circulatory system send it to our hearts to keep us healthy. So you can show me what you can do, so how you can do your heartbeat, right? We learned that, remember? I show you and you did an activity on how you can do your heartbeat activity. If you choose to do this one, if you choose to do this one, this activity, you can do this one just like this. You did one, okay? So if you choose to do the heartbeat, how to get your heart rate, go back to your activity that you did, okay? And also, which was the other one? So we did the immune system. So if you watch this video of the immune system, you do the one for the heart, you do the heart rate, how to do the heart rate, watch the video, how you need to calculate your heart rate, how you calculate that by seconds and beats. So watch the video down here and you will do one. You need to pick only one. Don't do all three. If you pick the brain and the circulatory system, you can do something like that and show me and label the parts of the brain. Write down the five senses. You can print it out of the computer. Just get those pictures online and print them out and glue them over here like a student did that for me before. Just label all the parts of the of the brain, all the parts of the brain, because you have that in your prior activities, okay? And write down the five senses and tell me about the organs that are helped by the brain and circulatory system. What is it good for? Okay, and remember, if you pick that one, you can do this. If you pick the brain, you can do this. If you pick the heart activity, then you do the heart rate. The videos will be here. And if you pick the immune system, the video will be there too. Remember that. The video is down there for you to do the immune system activity. Washing your hands, how you get rid of germs from your hands. The three videos are there to guide you, okay, kiddos? So you guys take care of yourself and just remember to keep healthy, okay? And with that, we are done our unit on how the body works with our health class. Okay, so talk to you later, kids. Bye.